Good morning. What's your name? Ken. How are you today? Okay, Ken. How old are you? I'm 4. Okay, Ken. Today we're going to talk about toys and colors. Okay. Ken, are you ready? Okay, Ken. What's this? It's a dog. Very good. It's a dog. Okay, Ken. What's this? Car. Very good. Ken. What's this? Ball. Ken. What's this? Teddy. Good job. Okay, Ken. Yes, it is. Okay, good job. Ken, is this a ball? Yes, it is. Correct. Ken, is this a teddy? No, it isn't. Correct. Ken, is this a car? Yes, it is. Okay, Ken, is this a dog? No, it isn't. Correct. Ken, what toys do you like? I like car. Very good. Ken, what color is it? Blue. What color is it? What color is it? What color is it? Yellow. Okay, Ken, what color do you like?